I completed my B.TECH in the stream of Information Technology from Sri Engineering College for Women. I completed my graduation. After that, I started learning software testing course. In that, I learned SQL, manual, core Java and automation testing. Manual testing is done by Hasnima for my batch. She teaches every concept very well, and Raghu sir took Java and Selenium classes for my batch, and he also explained each and every concept very well, and he always motivated throughout this journey. And after completion of each and every class, we started doing presentations that helped me to build my confidence. And thanks to Harita ma'am, she conducted so many groomings for interviews, and she conducted mock interviews. She arranged very well all of these things. So I want to thank Qspiders team for this wonderful support.